In a sleepy town nestled between rolling hills, three friends, Sarah, Mark, and Jake, stumbled upon an old, abandoned mansion that loomed over the countryside. The house was a shadow of its former glory, with ivy crawling up its walls and shattered windows like vacant eyes. Curiosity got the best of them, and one moonless night, they decided to explore the eerie mansion. Armed with flashlights and nervously exchanging jokes, they pushed open the creaking front door, sending shivers down their spines. Inside, the air was thick with an eerie chill, and the silence was deafening. They ventured deeper, exploring room after room. Dust-covered furniture stood frozen in time, while cobwebs clung to forgotten memories. The oppressive atmosphere made it hard to breathe. As they ascended the grand staircase, a chilling draft extinguished their flashlights, plunging them into pitch darkness. Panic set in, but they decided to proceed using the dim moonlight filtering through the windows. On the second floor, they entered a room that felt different. The air was icy, and strange symbols adorned the walls. In the corner, they found an old book, its pages filled with cryptic writings. Sarah, the adventurous one, decided to read from it aloud, unknowingly unleashing an ancient curse. Suddenly, the house came to life. The walls groaned, and the floor quaked beneath them. Terrifying apparitions materialized, their tormented faces contorted in anguish. Mark and Jake screamed, but their voices were drowned out by the spectral wails. Desperate to escape, they retraced their steps, but the mansion seemed to twist and turn, trapping them in an ever-changing maze of horror. Sarah clutched the cursed book, hoping it held the key to their salvation. Hours turned into an eternity as they battled malevolent spirits, all while the mansion itself seemed determined to keep them prisoner. They recited incantations from the book, attempting to banish the ghosts, but it only enraged them further. Finally, in the darkest hour, they reached the attic. The curse had drained their strength, and the ghostly figures closed in, ready to claim their souls. With trembling hands, Sarah read a passage that invoked a blinding light. The spectral figures screamed in agony, dissolving into wisps of darkness. The house itself trembled, as if releasing a final, mournful cry. Weakened but victorious, Sarah, Mark, and Jake stumbled out of the cursed mansion. The following day, they returned to the mansion, determined to burn the accursed book. As the flames consumed it, the house let out one last, bone-chilling wail, crumbling into a pile of rubble. The three friends had survived their harrowing ordeal, forever bound by the nightmarish memories of the haunted mansion. They had learned a chilling lesson about the power of the past and the darkness that could awaken when old secrets were disturbed.